we're stuck. There is currently a blizzard going on, 10, 12 inches of snow, a lot of snow, and I need to drop off all of these packages in a Mustang. So we're about to find out if a Mustang can drive in a blizzard. Alrighty guys, it is a blizzard and we are driving my 2024 Mustang Ecoboost in it right now with all season tires. This is gonna be very fun. I'm having my girlfriend hold the camera because I don't have my POV head mount anywhere. It just disappeared. So far my neighborhood is fucking rough. Hopefully it gets better than this. If it doesn't get better, I'm gonna turn around. Yeah, but we got wet slippery mode on. That is a must. All right, we made it up the hill. Oh gosh, this guy's gonna fuck up my momentum getting up the hill. Oh god, this is bad. Don't make me stop here. Oh, that was almost bad. That was almost bad. Stopping on a hill in a rear-wheel drive car. Oh, I can't even see these speed bumps. Okay. Alrighty, now we get on the main road. And I'm stuck. I'm just kidding. Perfect. Yeah, it's a blizzard. I can't really, you can't see far down. And the thing that really sucks is the main road by me is closed, so I gotta take all side roads. So none of these roads are salted. None of them are plowed. It's really like honestly the worst case scenario. I mean, obviously it's flattened out a little bit because, you know, people are driving on it all day, but yeah. So far it's chill. Gotta come to a slow stop. Alright, slow turn, very, very slow on the gas. There we go. I think I felt a little slip right there. Alright, the road looks a little rough down here. We're going downhill right now. Oh, that's a big chunk of snow. Oh. Man, it sounded like I ran over a rock. Yeah, we know we were going completely downhill. And now we're going uphill. But I guess at least we got momentum. You gotta keep the momentum. Perfect. Yeah, we're doing fine. We're going the speed limit. Oh. Alright, we had a little rough braking right there. And I was going on the brakes very, very, very gently right there. But I mean it wasn't too bad. Oh, okay. And nobody is out driving today. Everyone's scared as hell. Every single vehicle I've seen so far has been like a big 4x4. Which is out here thugging it out. I mean, at the end of the day, no one really knows how to drive in snow. Regardless if you're driving a rear-wheel drive car or 4x4, whatever you're driving. Alright, this road should hopefully be better. It's more of a main road. Oh, yeah. We had a little slip right there, but we gripped very good. Two police cars right there. They're probably like, what the hell is this guy doing out here? Alright, so we're going up a pretty big hill right now. I'm a little scared for this, but we make it up here. We thug it through everything else. I don't care. Gotta keep the momentum going up here. Can't slow down at all. Don't put too much gas on it. Okay, okay. Alright. Dope. Okay, there's another hill. This might be a little higher actually. But we got some momentum going into it, so we should be fine. Oh yeah, there we go, look at that. Oh. I slid a little bit right there, but the ABS does a very good job at correcting itself in this car. Surprisingly. Alright, there's another big hill right here. This one's huge. Okay. Yeah, I'm probably not gonna take this way around the way home. Lord almighty.
Like maybe get the road a little better. Okay, that's good. Yeah, I'd say the roads over here, they're pretty good. You know, no inclines. Looks like people have driven down here quite a bit. Ooh, there's some slush right there. Now I got some trucks, it looks like, in front of me, driving insanely slow. Slower than I was driving the whole time. Alrighty. Coming to a turn right here. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Alright, we got it. Oh, we slid right there. Get this Jeep off my ass. It's a shitty road. Oh my god, this road is so bad. Definitely gonna take a different way home. Oh, brother. Now the part that makes this hard right here is just like the road is winding so much. The winding roads are rough. a speed bump right there. Sirens? Where the fuck is sirens coming from? Oh, they're in front. Uh-oh. Sirens, sounds like there's an accident. Something happened. Okay, we're stuck. Okay, we gotta reverse. Okay. Yeah, I don't know how I'm gonna get in the post office. I gotta go to the post office. How the fuck am I gonna get in the post? Maybe I gotta go in from a different way. Yeah, if the post office wasn't like uphill like that, it would probably would have been fine. Oh my goodness, I couldn't even imagine going through a roundabout right now. Probably pulling this gas station. Alrighty. How the fuck am I gonna go to the post office, man? Oh! Maybe you think maybe we could get it through the front entrance they got?
That's what I was thinking.
Because the way we're pulling in.
Or maybe you could enter where the employees enter, because it looks like it's very small. But then, I don't know if you can get through.
Yeah, I don't know. I might need to pull into the other entrance they got.
Or you could drop off the packages like we used to do.
What do you mean?
Like ring the doorbell.
Yeah, I don't know. They close in 10 minutes.
Do I have to keep filming this?
Yes.
It's tired.
We're almost there.
Should have been there already.
Yeah. Oh my gosh. Oh. Think about it. When you work at like a fast food job like McDonald's, those places really expect you to make it at work in weather like this.
And on time.
Yeah, and on time. Look, what? What? Are you really gonna call off? Whoa. This is how the story goes. Alrighty. I made it to the post office with 9 minutes to spare before they close. Think we could back into that front spot?
Probably.
Perfect. That's exactly the spot we need. Look at that. We have reached our destination. Woo! Let's go. Now we gotta go in there and drop off all the packages.
Yeah, so we successfully made it in my Mustang. All season tires, not even winter tires. Would I recommend winter tires? Yeah, probably. But whoever said a Mustang ain't a winter car is lying. I mean, could I have wiped out at any moment in the snow if I put some gas on it or turned wrong? 100%. But I didn't. So yeah, that's that. If you guys enjoyed.